Hey friends, welcome to FxYogi. In today's video, let's learn about USDX versus DXY. If you have googled US dollar index, you might have seen three acronyms associated with the phrase USDX, DX and DXY and wondered what is the difference between them. What is USDX? USDX is the umbrella term for the US dollar index. You can't go wrong using this term if you're talking about the original dollar index. What is DX? The ICE exchange symbol for the futures contract is DX, followed by the month and the year code. The ICE exchange symbol for the value of the underlying dollar index, sometimes called the cash or spot index, is also DX without a month or a year code, although different data providers may use different symbols. What is DXY? DXY is a popular ticker or symbol used by Bloomberg Terminal users, so that index is sometimes referred to as the Dixie. DXY is more commonly used when referring to the dollar cash or spot rate, while DX is geared more for future traders. Although, as mentioned, DX can also refer to the spot rate as well. Confusing, right? US dollar index components. Now that we know what the basket of currencies is composed of, let's get back to that geometric weighted average part. Because not every country is the same size, it's only fair that each is given appropriate weights when calculating the US dollar index. Check out the current weights. With its 19 countries, euros make up a big chunk of the US dollar index. The next highest is the Japanese yen, which would make sense since Japan is one of the biggest economies in the world. The other four makes up less than 30% of the USDX. Here's a question. When the euro falls, which way does the US dollar index move? The euro makes up such a huge portion of the US dollar index, we might as well call this index the anti-euro index. Because the USDX is so heavily influenced by the euro, traders have looked for a more balanced dollar index. We will cover two other US dollar indexes later. Trade weighted dollar index, Bloomberg dollar spot index. As a currency trader, you should be familiar with all the three of them. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.